Right, we intend to fit new helper springs on the rear coilovers on the Mark II due to potholes on the road. One of them is broke, so obviously I'm going to change the two of them. So let's get started and get the old ones off. Right, we've got the top of the turret off for the rear coilover. There's the top mount there. I've undone the bottom bolt. It's ready to pull it out. I don't know if you can see it. There's the broken spring. Right, let's get it out. Set it out. Top of the turret. Put some grease on that before I put it back in. Right, so let's get it apart now. Get this little bad boy off and get the new one on. Hopefully they are. I have checked them, like putting it there. And looks the right ones anyway. Let's carry on. Right, and the old trusty Black & Decker. Right, let's get it all clean, stripped down, cleaned down, and get this. There, you can see there, the FK springs, same as the ones on the front. So the rebound should all be the same after. Right. For me to know it's right, let's carry on. Buddy, by the way. Here's me. So easy, these coilovers to change. You need compression there. Coil-spring compressors are always to get the springs up. They need a good clean, like. Been on a few years these now, still dry as a bone. That's in 3 pieces, isn't it? Proper seized on that. Three pieces. No doubt the other side looked alright, but no doubt when you strip it down, get all this cleaned off. You know, grease them, so kept covering them with oil on it, and all this debris on it. Paint still on them, and the adjusters. I just leave them the same ride height anyway. So. See, they're knackered, I would. Black & Decker's coming handy, I tell you. Get a higher around, grease around them and start rebuilding it. Apply a bit of grease on this now, preserve it. Do the underside after once I've rebuilt it. Try and keep it away from the actual hydraulic shaft. Screw boy out of there, should have cleaned that off first. I go mad with everything, like going into the car, grease them up and everything. Most probably get the shocker on now behind the wheels off. I'll lubricate the lever for the handbrake as well, because they tend to seize up, and since I've keep them oiled up, they've just gone through it's just gone through its MOT again as well. I know I've had a broken spring, but it hasn't moved since it's just drove it home. Had the springs and put them on. Right, so I need to clean that one up. Right. There you go. All done. Some of the cutter greased all, obviously I've greased there so I can get hold of it. Greased all there, so all in there, been rebuilt. Right, let's get it back on. Right, that's it on. Everything greased. As I said, handbrake linkage all greased up, so they tend to seize up on the caliper. I don't know if you can see that. It's all greased up now inside the turret and everything before I shoved it back in. Just want to lower it now. so it'll push the pin through, and then I can put them back on, and that's it, done. I'm going to do the same to that side now, obviously change that one. So about an hour a side, I think, something like that. Right, that's it on that one, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Right, I've been exiled into the shed now. I'm doing the second coilover, rear one. It's raining, as you can see, so I've got to get everything in. And here, got to the stage of cleaning the shocker down, ready for greasing it up and putting it back together. The old helper spring is the same in one piece. It's the only one out of the four one was in one piece, so it is the same size as the FK. Now I've got the FKs on it now. Bits right, put it all together and get the second coilover back on. If dodge the weather. See you later. Morning. It's the day after I fitted the FK helper springs to the Mark II. Been out with it. You can see all the dust on the window. It's been up for a blast. The ride height is just the same. The stance, it's turning in nice. It's really hard on the back now again. Oh. But pleased with that. Beautiful day. Sunroof open. Yeah, made up with that. Most of the t-shirt. Don't know if you can see that. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's the end of the video for fitting the new helper springs on the coilovers. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.